My name is Matteo Cassese. I talk about the human side of innovation.
We are going from a world that is much simpler to a world that is much harder. I just gave you something that is more capable than you at outputting, at creating, at generating. What does that leave you with?
We're just getting started, it's a part of the game. Building anticipation, getting close.
My job is to make the room uncomfortable. Bookers call me when motivation stops working.
Better late than never.
The robots came for the creatives. They came for the poets. And that's a problem. And it gives us this general discomfort of not knowing what is going on, not knowing what will happen next.
Is it only a dream?
And I'm a little more than a mindset coach. I'm much more than a business coach. I'm a shadow partner. I'm a sparring partner to extraordinary people who want to do extraordinary things. We all have one power, and that power is ourselves. That power is our vulnerability and our authenticity. And the more we build walls and the more we hide ourselves and what makes us different, unique, strange, weird, impossible, the less we give value to the world. There are casualties. Now, the first casualty is hustle culture is over. Oh, yes.
AI is not coming for your job. It just caught you stuck at good enough, doing forgettable work and calling it a career. Ripping the Band-Aid is going to hurt, but it'll leave you wanting to go back to work on Monday like never before.
This idea that life is linear is not only a lie, we know that, okay? We know that life is disruption. Now here, I introduce you to the gap. Marketing, branding, advertising, all about creating gaps.
Storytelling maybe is the best generator of gaps of all time.
Allow for the tension, make space for this tension, because this tension is the breakthrough.
I invite you to stop avoiding conflict. Conflict is a good thing.
I would go so far as to say that the gap is the operating system of human existence.
And so the question is, are we taking the car or the plane? The answer is, we're swimming.
Be careful how you interpret the world. It is like that.